welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. My name is Kamal, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and make a Wi-Fi extender at home by using any of the old routers. For this I'm going to go ahead and use today my TP-Link router, which is one of the old routers which I have over here. I'll use this and I'll make a Wi-Fi extender for home. Okay guys, first of all we have to open a Chrome browser like I have opened over here. Then go to your Wi-Fi settings and disconnect all your internet. Like this is my internet SSID, I disconnected it, it's not yet connected. And the second one you can see is TP-Link Pocket 3020. That is the router which I'm using to make it into a Wi-Fi extender. So what we'll be doing first is, I have already set this up, so I'll be resetting this once for you. So just click on this reset option over here and hold it. So what happens is the router gets resetted. So it will take a minute or two. Okay, so only two lights are there. There's no internet light over here. So let's go ahead and configure this as a Wi-Fi extender. Okay, so first of all we have to log into the Wi-Fi interface. Press connect over here and it will be connected. Now go to 192.168.0.254 and press enter. So you see that there's a new interface over here. That is a TP-Link router interface. Now it's very simple. Go to quick setup, go next, just leave it as it is dynamic. And don't clone your Mac ID. Go next. Now what it will ask is for survey, which SSID do you want to copy? That is your own main Wi-Fi survey. Your main Wi-Fi is SSID. So click on survey. There will be many over here. So search for yours. Mine is Dark Lord over here. I will go ahead and connect it to that. So the Mac ID, everything will come automatically. So the key type over here, what I use is VPA PSK. So now it allows me to go ahead and punch in the password. Just give me a minute. Okay, and down there's TP-Link. You can rename it to anything you want. Press next. The device is set up. So just reboot the device once. Okay. Now you can see it is rebooting, restarting. So we are just gonna hold the device over here so you can see that it's restarting. Behind also it shows restarting. It will take a minute or two for it to restart completely. And it will show no internet because it's just going ahead and starting the whole process again of refreshing and copying the internet. And the internet light is still blinking over here, so please wait for some time. Okay, now just keep this aside and go over here, connect, and it's connected again. Go to the same interface, it is loaded, and go to wireless and go to wireless security. So here you can go ahead and put whatever password you want. Like example, I'm putting the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 for time being, and save it. So that is saved. And now what you can say is just close this too. I'm using my laptop to go ahead and connect this router at the moment, but you can go ahead and use your adapter, whatever has come with the router, and connect it with that. Like I'll show you the example also of that. You can just take this out and connect it over here and connect to any of the wall sockets where you want the extending to go ahead with. So now if I go here and check my internet, I'm connected to TP-Link. You can actually change that in the first page of the quick setup to anything you want, like example, any username you want, internet to, or anything you want, or extender or anything like that. And now I'm opening the Chrome browser again to see whether we are able to go ahead and browse the net. Or if you go to YouTube, so net is working. Now what about the speed? I would like to say something about the speed is like, it won't give the exact speed as how much your normal internet gives, but it will give the half of that easily without any problem because it's an extender only. So we are going over here. So we are in Ookla. Now we are gonna check the internet speed. So it's giving me a 20.12 download speed in a stable way. You can see the line over here without any jitters or anything. And about the upload speed, it's just checking. It's giving me about 9.28. So 20 and about 9.28 is very good for an extender. So this is the simplest way you can go ahead and set up a Wi-Fi extender by using your old router or any of the routers lying in your home. Thank you for watching this video, and this video would be helpful for mostly people who are working from home nowadays, where there are many dead spots in home where the internet Wi-Fi doesn't reach. And if you did like and learn something from this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get future notifications. You have a wonderful day. We'll meet next time.